Hello, welcome to this video where I will show you how to use this After Effects template that I made for logo designers. So if you're a logo designer and want to showcase your work in an animated form like this is a template for you. So let me show you how it works. First of all, you need to change the logo, which is obvious. So to do this, go to the file that you downloaded from the description and basically open this template file, which is this right here. And to change the logo, go to the footage folder, and here you can find the replace logo file. And when you open this in Illustrator, you will see there is a logo which is used in the animation right here. And you basically just need to delete this logo and place your own on the exact same place. So I already have another logo here, and I will just place it right in the middle. Make sure it's around this boundary or guide. And when you're happy with how you placed your logo, just go to File, Save, and you will see that your logo will be updated and animated on this template. And the next thing you want to do is change the colors. So basically, to do this, go to the first layer, which is called Adjustment Layer, and under Effect Controls you can see there are color controls 1, 2 and 3. So the first one will be your main color. So let's say I want to change this to some sort of orange color, and click OK. And for the second color, you need to find the color that contrasts well with your main color. So I will just put pure black here. For the third color, I suggest you just leave it white as it is. So basically, this is how it looks now. With just a few clicks, you change the logo and the colors. So another thing you can change is this type of imagery. So basically, if you want to change this image, let's you use the image picker number 2, and there are around 10 images that you can choose from. So pick whichever fits the best for your project. So, and for the first image picker, this is for the banner mockup, and the same thing, you have around 12 images to choose from and choose whichever fits the best. And the last thing you can do is change the text and the font. So you can see on this business card mockup there is some text, and basically just click the type tool icon on the top bar and adjust the text font the same way you would do in Illustrator. So you can see you just change the text, and on the right side you should have this panel called text, and there you can change the font, you can change the font thickness, size, spacing, and whatever else you want. And you do the same thing for every text on this mockup. Let's say you want to change this right here. So basically the same thing, just click the text icon, click on the text, edit, and click on this icon, which is a selection tool, to go back. And that's pretty much it. You can also change this text, and when you're happy with how it turned out, you need to export this video. So to do this, go to File, Export, and add to render queue. And here you just need to select output module to be under H.264 format, which works the best for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And just click OK, and under output 2, click on this text, and here you need to select the name for your video. So let's call it Reel for Instagram. Click OK, and right here you just click render, and this is it. Your video is ready to upload to whichever platform you want. If you have more questions, you can leave a comment or send me an email, which will be provided in the description. Thank you.